I'm going to share the exact steps I used to break into the commercial real estate market and how you can start making serious money in 2025. Selling commercial properties is a lucrative way to build wealth in 2025, and it's an opportunity that many investors are taking advantage of. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, commercial real estate can provide a significant source of passive income and long-term financial stability. When it comes to getting started, having the right tools and resources is essential. You'll need access to market research resources, networking platforms, and a solid understanding of property valuation techniques. These tools will help you navigate the commercial property market with confidence and make informed investment decisions. To be successful in commercial real estate, you need a structured approach. First, you need to identify profitable properties that have the potential for growth. This means doing your research and understanding market trends, including supply and demand, and identifying areas with high growth potential. Next, you need to understand the property's current value and potential for appreciation. This is where knowing property valuation techniques comes in handy. Then, you need to master the art of negotiation. This is where you'll use your skills to negotiate the best possible price for the property, and it's a crucial step in the process. Once you've found a property that meets your criteria, it's time to make an offer. This is where your negotiation skills will come into play, and you'll need to be confident and assertive to get the best deal possible. After the deal is done, it's time to start making money. This can be through rental income, property appreciation, or a combination of both. The key is to be patient and let the property work for you. Do you think you can make millions in 2025 selling commercial properties? Let's find out. In one of my recent deals, I was able to purchase a small office building for a fraction of its market value. I did my research, understood the market trend, and negotiated a great price. After some renovations, I was able to rent out the building to a creditworthy tenant, and it's been a cash cow ever since. I've also had deals where I flipped properties for a quick profit, and it's always exhilarating to see the money roll in. Let me share a secret with you. Finding hidden gems in the market is all about building relationships and having the right connections. You need to network with other investors, realtors, and property owners to get access to off-market deals and stay ahead of the competition. And when you do find that hidden gem, you need to be able to move quickly and decisively to snatch it up before someone else does. Of course, there are challenges that come with commercial real estate investing. Market fluctuations can be unpredictable, and financing issues can pop up at any time. But the key is to stay focused and have a plan B, C, and D in place. You need to be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions and find creative solutions to any obstacles that come your way. In summary, making millions selling commercial properties in 2025 is within your reach. You just need to have the right tools, a structured approach, and the confidence to take action. Remember, it's not about being lucky, it's about being prepared and taking calculated risks. So what's holding you back? Take the first step today and start building your commercial real estate empire. And if you want to learn more about commercial real estate investing, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.